How to make Snapchat account private. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to make your Snapchat account more private. Now here what you have to do is there's no such direct way of making your account private. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat application, then go to the Bitmoji icon and go to the gear icon. As you could, if you go ahead and explore the options right over here, you will find no such direct way in order to convert your account or make it private. Unlike any other application, Snapchat does not have such feature. So what you have to do is, in order to go private, you have to make some changes with your settings. So here you want to come to the settings and go to privacy section. Underneath you want to go ahead and make sure to select or make sure to change all these options to only me. When you see or when you go to make changes with your options right over here, only me, this is going to help you out to make your Snapchat account private. This is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.